Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about psychological impacts of coronavirus, COVID-19. But before stating the video, if you are first time visiting to my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. I upload video on daily basis. So let's start the video. Horrific psychological impacts of coronavirus. It is a universally acknowledged fact that monster is less drastic than the apprehension of monster. We become awe in the crises of any epidemic. Last century ended with catastrophes like World War I, World War II and Spanish flu etc. But world remained divided into areas that got affected severely and areas that remained safe. Millions died but the wheel of economy of the world remained revolving in spite of high rate of deaths. No internet and no social media proved to be a boon for the past generation. Major parts of the world remained entirely unaware of huge number of deaths in the universe. No religion was blamed for that and no ethnic group was targeted at that specific time. No regional prejudice intensified the already worst situation. Bitter and grim scenes wiped away with the passage of time and we entered into the new century with new milestones. But unfortunately, the present scenario is pathetic as the epidemic has left no corner of the world untouched. The virus did not differentiate the advanced world and third world. Rather it smashed the most developed countries in more agonizing manner. It defeated the most advanced health technology of the world. No country whatever its resources are high or low could cope with this world disaster. The New World Order is under question after this natural evil. Who will protect the world? Amidst the outbreak, everyone is interested to report the horrific, grim side of the picture. Instead of showing the positive side, formal and informal media is giving coverage to pessimistic side. Let us not spread fear and damage people psychologically. Time to be firm in our resolve to contain coronavirus. The dominant forces on Atlantic and Pacific poles are already under the threat of this annihilation. United States of America and world economic power China have lost much than other countries. World Health Organization seems defenseless and impotent against this COVID-19. Free and fast flow of information has frightened the world more than ever before. The concept and scene of global village is not worth mentioning. All print and electronic media has nothing to write or show other than the calculation of deaths throughout the world. For the first time in the history of humanity, all people belonging to all religions, territories, races and cultures have the same foe. No way out is underway now to come out of this calamity. Stay home and stay safe is the message of all world doctors, intellectuals, advisors and many more. The entire world is mentally absorbed in this crisis and is facing the war of nerves. The world has been locked down and everywhere there is fuss of quarantine. In case of prolonging this tense situation, the people will have a chance a victim to psychological disorders. The fear of death and more than this the fear of starvation is in the subconscious of maximum locality of the world. The third world countries may cope with corona but economic loss will be irreplaceable for them in the years to come. The graph of poverty will be widened owing to this overwhelming situation. The most terrible aspect of this virus is the non-serious attitude and aptitude of the well-educated and civilized people. Instead of praying and begging pardon of their sins and crimes, they are joking and jesting in this grievous situation. The social media is being used in absurd comments and discussions rather than taking precautionary measures. It seems to be a break time for them. For God's sake, it is an epitome of God wrath. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. I upload video on daily basis. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.